Okay, so a nice recap for us, adding and subtracting decimals. So as usual, copy the heading, lesson objectives and the keywords down. Once you're done, write starter, underline, and you're ready for the starter then. So hit pause, do that. When you're ready, hit play again. Okay, so here's our starter. Hit pause, have a go at all four. Once you're done, hit play and we'll go over them. Okay, so let's have a look. What's happening in 1A? It's going up in 11s. So plus 11, plus 11, plus 11. So if we add 11 to 67, what do we get? We should have 78. Add 11. Add 11, 100. Mark and correct your work. Here, we're doubling each term. So double 2 is 4, double 4 is 8, double 8 is 16. So we should have 32, double 16, double 32, 64, double that, 128. On C, we're taking away 9 each time to get to the next term. So if we subtract 9 from 73, we have 64. Take away 9, 55. And then take away 9, 46. Okay. Number 2, it says use the column method. So we have to use the column method. I'm going to write it up here. So 2A, you got 275, add 65. So 5 add 5 is 10, 0 carry the 1. 6 add 7 is 13, plus 1 is 14. 4 carry the 1, cross that one out. And 2 add 1 is 3, so we got 340 there on 2A. On 2B, let's have a look. We've got 837. Take away 34. That's B. 7 take away 4 is 3. 3 take away 3 is nothing. And 8 take away nothing is 8. So you should have 803 there. And on C, we have 805. Take away 492. Subtract. 5 take away 2 is 3. We can't take 9 from nothing, so we borrow from the 8. Goes down to 7. 10 take away 9 is 1. And then 7 take away 4 is 3. Okay, good. Let's have a look at the next one. So we got sequences again. We want the next 3 terms. So that's increasing by 0.2 each time. So we get 0.7 next. 0.5 plus 0.2, 0.7. Add 0.2, 0.9. Add 0.2, 1.1. Here we're increasing again each time by 0.4. Let's not forget the units, although they are going to be quite difficult to fit in. If we add 0.4, we get 2 meters. Add 0.4 again, so we get 2.4. And if we add 0.4 to that, we get 2.8 meters. Okay, you should have more space in your book. On part C, what's going on here each time? It's coming down by 0.1 each time. I haven't got much room to write it in there. So 2.3, 2.2, 2.1, so you go 2.0, 1.9, 1.8. And on D, it's going down 0.3 each time. 1.9 take away 1.6, so 0.3 minus 0.3, and 1.3 minus 0.3, that'll be 1.0 kilograms. Take away 0.3, that's going to be 0.7 kilograms, and one more, take away 0.3, you should have 0.4 kilograms. We move on to question number 4, more sequences. Wow, what's going on in this first one here? It's increasing by 0.25 meters. So if we keep increasing, then we get to 1, well, suppose we can either leave it as 1 or 1.00 meters, add 1.25, sorry, add 0.25, I gave the answer then. It's 1.25 meters, and then add again 0.25, so we get 1.5 meters. B, we're increasing again each time by 0.2. Increase by 0.2, so we're adding 0.2 on each time, so this should give us 1.85, then 2.05, these are centimeters, 2.05 centimeters, and the last one we should have 2.25 centimeters. Run out of room there. This time it's decreasing, so it's getting smaller each time by, what do you think? 0.1. So 1.45, 1.35, 1.25, 1.15, 1.05, and then we've got 0.95. And finally, our last question in the starter, it's decreasing, just a little bit of room on this one, by 0.25 each time. So if you take away 0.25 from 2, you should have 1.75, then 1.5, and then 1.25. Good. So you know what to do. Make your corrections and RAG rate. And once you're done with that, we're going to have a look at decimal addition and subtraction. So hit pause, correct, RAG, and then hit play again. Okay, so this is a nice little recap for you. So what I want you to do is have a go. So write the 4 questions down and have a go at all 4. I think you're going to get these all right. Once you're done with that, hit play and we'll go through them together. Okay, so let's work through these. First one, you got 5.7, add 7.5. So we started right hand side here. 7 add 5 is 12, 2. Carry the 1. Don't forget our decimal here. And then 5 add 7 is 12 plus the 1 is 13. Cross that out. Here we started right hand side again. 37.59 add 18.70. So 9 add nothing is 9. 5 add 7 is 12. So 2, carry the 1. Just here. Decimal point, don't forget that. 7 add 8 is 15 plus the 1 is 16. So 6, carry the 1. Cross that one out. And 3 add 1 is 4 plus the 1 we carried over is 5. Cross that one out because we used it. Now subtraction can be a bit more involved, right? Always remember that the number on the top has got to be bigger than the one below, otherwise we have to borrow. Now I can't take 5 away from 2, 2 is too small, so I borrow from the 4, cross it out, comes a 3, and I've borrowed a unit there, so if I put it here, it becomes 12. Take away 5, that works, gives me 7, I've got my decimal point here, and then 3 take away 3 is nothing, so 0.7. And on question 4, start on the right hand side, 7 take away 3 is 4. Can't take 8 from 6, so I've got to borrow from the 3, goes down to a 2, and I've got, put that over here, carry that over, and I've got 1. So 16 take away 8, leaves me with 8, decimal point. 2 take away 1 is 1, and 8 take away 4 is 4. So I've got 41.84. what I want you to do now is make corrections if you haven't done so. If you haven't done the questions already, then you need to write these as examples in your books. And I've got some questions for you to attempt then. Okay, so our questions today, you're going to start at question number 6. Start at 6, and then you turn over and you work your way down to 16. Okay, not too many today. Good luck.